Hello all, welcome to my new channel DataVue. If you are passionate about data science or looking to get started, you have come to the right place. Here on this channel, we explore the essential tools that power the data science from spreadsheets, Python, machine learning, and visualization tools. We will break them down with easy to follow tutorials and tips that will help you get hands-on with real-world data problems. So whether you are analyzing the data in Excel, coding in Python, or building machine learning models, we have got the content to help you grow your skills. Plus, we will show you how to turn raw data into powerful insights with beautiful visualizations. So if you want to take your data skills to the next level, hit the subscribe button and join our community of data enthusiasts. Let's make data science fun and easy together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for all the latest tutorials. Thank you.